Hey there fitness fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best meal replacement shakes in 2021. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these meal replacement shakes, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first shake we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the meal replacement shake from 310 Nutrition. Next up in our number 4 spot, we've got the meal replacement shake by IdealShake. And coming up next at our number 3 spot, we've got the Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass. And coming in at number 2 on our list, we've got the Ample Meal Replacement Shake. And last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Huel Vegan Powdered Meal Replacement Shake. Alright fitness fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which meal replacement shake you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.